So what you can also do while making presentation, a standard presentation in Terabox, is you can go ahead and paste out the content that you may already have. For example, I have this content, which is the benefits of learning every day. So let me just go ahead right here and copy this out. So I'm just going to go ahead and then I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then I'm going to go around over here onto standard presentation, and over here you can see that paste text is an option. So here what I can do is I can go ahead and paste the text from which I want to generate out the presentation, and then I can go around over here onto more and select what type of information I want to keep in each slide. So let's say I want to keep brief information right here, and I want to use web images right here, and you can even go ahead and choose who this particular presentation is for. So let's say this is going to be for high schoolers right here, and style is going to be humorous. Let's say, for example, right here, you can even go ahead and choose the style as you want. So now once I go ahead and choose that and click on continue, what happens is that it'll take that particular information and will simply go ahead and divide it into sections right here, which later you can go ahead and edit out as you want as well. So you can see that this is what you have. So there's benefits of lifelong learning, and you can go ahead right here, delete out the topic if you want to right here, and you can go ahead and add in sections if you want. But I'm not going to go ahead and leave anything else right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and click on generate presentation. And over here, you can go ahead and choose, let's say, for example, a particular file as you want. That is a particular template as you want right here. Click on it and click on start generating. And now what happens is that it goes ahead and generates out presentation with the points that I gave it right here. So it says keep your brain active right here. So this is what we actually gave it, like keep your brain active, then builds confidence, improves career opportunities. So you can see that by taking on that text, it is actually going ahead and generating out the content for us. So you need to wait for a while until the generation finishes. And this is simply how you can go ahead and generate out presentation by pasting text inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.